Great day. We're working on North Carolina fourth grade NBT point 5 standard, which is multiplication. And we're starting off the new module with um, times 10. So we do 30 times 4. This is called the standard algorithm. That's the term that is given to it. And we're also going to learn the area model side by side with the standard algorithm. And so we're going to put one line, make one line that'll give me two boxes because I have two numbers. I have a ones and a tens place, so I have to model that on my area model. So my 4 is what I'm multiplying by. It'll go by the side. And the top, we're going to do the expanded form, which will be 30 plus 0. And we worked in expanded form in the previous module. So for example, if my number is 30, then for our expanded form, we'll bring down the 3. Everything else goes to a 0. And then we don't need to bring down the 0 because it's nothing. So that's how we end up with 30 plus 0. Okay, we're doing the expanded form. Okay, now we're multiplying by 5, so they must write the multiples of 5. So 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. That's why it's so important. And I was stressing that we need to know our multiples for times such as this. Okay? So we have 4. And this number here tells us how many we're going to go down on the multiples of 4. And that's 3. 1, 2, 3. Put my dot on it. I get 12. 4 times 3 is 12. There's a 0 here and it drops right into the box. Okay? 4 times 0 here is 0. So when I add these two together, I get 120. Okay, now when I'm doing the standard form, 4 times 0, if I go straight up, is 0. 3 times 4, 12. Okay, so I have the same. That lets me know that I'm right. Okay, so this is how we're going to be doing multiplication going forward. The standard algorithm, the area model, and then writing the multiples to help them. Okay, so let's erase this. I want to go to another one. And scholars that are watching, it would be a great idea to do this with me. If you think you have it, go as far as you can and then join me. Okay, and I must put one line. One line makes two boxes because I have two numbers up here. Okay, I'm multiplying by 6. When I do the expanded form for 50, I do 50 plus, and I have 0 ones. And now I'm going to come and do my multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, and then 72. So now, remember, right here, this 5 lets me know I'm going to go down 5 on the multiples of 6. Because I'm trying to find out what is 6 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My dot goes here. It is 30. Now, it's a 0 above the box. Drop it right on in. It is 300. Now, 6 times 0 is 0. So this one equals 300. Now we're going to come over to this side. Remember, you're going to go straight up first. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 5 is 30. And if you don't remember, you can come down on your 6s and go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can get your answer as well. Okay? And so we have 300. Now, I want to do one more, and that is 70 times 9. And somebody said, oh, Miss Perry, we hadn't done 9s yet, but we have talked in class on a trick into learning the nines, but they're still going to have to learn them. And that is, you're going to start with 0 and you're going to go all the way to 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you're going to come back up and you're going to do 9 to 0. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 99 is 9 times 11. 108 is 9 times 12. Okay? So we're going to put our line through the middle because we have 2 digits here. Okay? So 9 is what we're multiplying by. And our expanded form is 70 plus 0. And we have our 9s. We're going to go down. You guessed it. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're at 63. Drop that 0 straight down. 9 times 0, 0. So we have 630. Let's see if we get the same over here. So don't just automatically write 630. I want you to actually multiply, because it'll be different when we start in a couple of days when there's not a 0 here and it's a real number. Okay, so we're going to go straight up. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 7 is 63. If I wasn't sure, I would come over to my multiples, which should already have been there. You're going to go down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's how you will get your 63. Okay? Now, one thing I always ask the kids, well, what if you didn't remember to do 0 to 9 and then 9 to 0? So we know 9 times 1 is 9. We know our 2's already, so we know 2 times 9 is 18. We know our 3's already, so we know 3 times 9 is 27. We know our 4's already, and 4 times 9 is 36. We know our 5's. 9 times 5 is 45. And we have just currently been really working on our 6's. 9 times 6 is 54. So some may be able to get to 54, hopefully. If not, this is what you do. We're going to use our strategy. We're going to put 54 in our head, and we're going to add on what? We're going to add on our 9. So 54 in our head, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. Okay? Now, 63 in our head, we're going to add on 9. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. Got my 9 fingers up there. 72. Put 72 in our head, add on 9. 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. Okay, now looking at this one, hopefully they can see if you add 9 to 1, that will give you 90. But in case they don't, we still know what to do. 81 in our head, we're going to add on 9. So 81, 82, 3, 4, 5, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 9 plus 11, 99. So 11 plus any number is that number double. And then 99 plus another 9 will give you 108. Okay, so that's the strategy if they don't quite know their multiples yet. Okay, and so this is how we are entering into the second module with multiplication, and we'll also be doing division. Okay, have a great day.